Good morning, my dear K3A students. How are you getting on? How good going with your reading? How was your reading last Wednesday? I'm happy that most of you can read most of the words that we had read. Okay, welcome back to a new lesson. Our lesson for today are short vowel sounds E, and we are using our new book. Please find your new book and prepare for a new lesson today. And before we start, we're going to read what we had read last week, okay? Here, I want to spend more time on review so that you can remember the words that I have taught to you. Okay? So, please listen carefully. Do not open your book yet. I will give you time to open your book. You have to listen very well so that you can also read very well. Okay? So, look at here. This is what we had done last week. Okay? So words with different short vowel sound. Okay, this is our lesson last Wednesday. Okay, so you can see the words with short vowel sound A and short vowel sound E. Alright, here are the words with the short vowel sound A and E. Ant, cat, apple, bat, ham, and the words with the short vowel sound E, bed, egg, pencil, nest, web, jet, air. Okay, so you can see your activity book at page 6. That's why I did not draw anymore. Just look at your book at page 6 and you can see the pictures of an ant, picture of a cat, apple, picture of a hat, bed, bat, cup, dog, and ham. Listen through with the short vowel sound E. These are words with the pictures. Okay? So always remember the pictures and its name. And please read very well. Here are the pictures of the words with sound, with the short vowel sound E. Like egg, you know already what is egg. Bed, you know what is bed. Bat, you know what is pencil. And also web, or it is a spider web moving around to make a web. And also elf, it is something like a small creators, okay? Nest, okay, nest have eggs. So bird have a nest, okay? Jet, this is a kind of plane used during war. So jet plane. This is spot. So always remember the words and its picture. Okay? And also, we have activities 1, 2, 3, or 1 and 2. I give you, but most of you wrote all the beginning, the middle sound, or the vowel sound, okay? The instruction is you're just write A if you hear the sound of the short vowel sound A. Like in number 1, ant, cat, apple. You're going to write A because ant, cat, A, and also apple because you can hear the sound of short vowel sound A. And number 2, hat, bed, bat. Do not write letter E because the instruction is only if you hear the sound of short vowel sound A. This is not a. So do not write anymore. And number 3 also, cat, dog, ham. We should not write letter O because it's not a. So only cat and ham. 4, 5, 6. If you hear the sound of the short vowel sound A, you're going to write like number 4, number 1 here, or number 4 here. Egg, bed, bat. So it is only, they are only egg and bed. Do not write a because it's not a. The same here, pencil, web, air. So because they are sound A, so you have to write all E in here, okay? But number 6, only nest and jet because pot sounds A. Okay? So you should follow the instruction. Do not write the sound which is not belong to the group, okay? So you have to read this one, okay? You write, you are going to read this words in order for you to practice, okay? So I give you time to review the words with different short vowel sounds here, okay? So I wrote some words with E and also A and also A, so that you can differentiate the sound of each word, okay? So I give you 5 minutes to read these words, and please send me your voice message, okay? So I will be back after a few minutes for video clip number 2. Okay, I'm back for our lesson today. So look at me and look at the board. So our lesson today is short vowel sounds. They are I, E, A, and A. So these are the words that begins with vowel sound E, vowel sound A, vowel sound A. And later you're going to identify, okay? So listen carefully. I didn't draw the pictures here because I want you to look at your book later, okay? And please master the pictures of these words. Alright, so listen here. Do not open your book yet. I will give you time to open your book. Okay, sound E, pig, dish, fish, milk, kick, pin, igloo. A short vowel sound A, fox, ox, frog, otter, dog, clock. Short vowel sound A, bug, cup, rug, tub, brush, soap. There are words that's not easy for you to read, like frog, because they are consonant blend. Frog, frog, clock, and brush. Alright? So I give you the pattern already how to read words. You have to look at the vowel blend, like here, vowel blend P and G, pig. Vowel blend D, dish. Vowel blend F and add sh, fish. Vowel blend me, milk. Vowel blend ki, kick. Vowel blend P, pin, and E, igloo, igloo. Then the sound O, look at the vowel blend, fo, and just add X, fox. And this one ox, fur. This is a consonant blend, so this is fro and gu, frog. Otter. Otter, it is a kind of animals that you can see at the sea, okay? They are living in the ocean. Dog, vowel blend do, and just add gu, dog. Clock, clock. Short vowel sound R, bug, it is sound B, bug, cup, rug, tub, brush, sub. Okay? So remember how to read the vowel blend first and also identify the ending sounds in order for you to read the different words, okay? And you can also say that this is a short vowel sound E, A, and A. Okay, so practice your reading. So I want you to open your book at page 9, or 8, 9, and 10. We're going to identify the pictures of these words, okay? So here is a pig. You already know what is pig. And also dish. There are two kinds of dish. It is dish like they are plates, glasses, spoons, fork, or cups. They are dish. Okay? This is a picture of an igloo. And this is a fish. Okay? You know what is already milk. And kick. Kick is you have to kick by your foot. Okay? Egg. You know what is egg? This is dog. And this is a pin. Pin. Okay. So here are the short vowel sound O. This is fox. So you can see the picture of a fox. It's like a dog, but they are fox. Okay? Wild dog. This one is cup. Cup we use for drinking coffee, drinking milk, or can also use to drink water. This one is also ox, is kind of buffalo, or it's like wild cow. Otter, this is a kind of otter. They can see them in the sea, okay? Frog, so this is a frog. Look at the picture of a frog. And also a pig. This is a dog. This is bug and clock. Alright, so look at the pictures so that you know how to say their names. Okay, for the short vowel sound A, okay, look at the pictures of a bug. Bug, cup, and this is a cap. Cap is not A, it is A. Cup. This is a rug. Okay, what is a rug? You can find rug on the floor. There are some rugs that they are also using for wiping tables like that. But usually we find rug on the floor. Tub. Tub is you can use to wash your clothes, or you can also use, especially the babies, they can also take a bath in a tub. Frog. Brush. This is a paint brush. You have also a brush. You have brush using to brush your teeth. This is sub. This sub is you can find this under the water. Okay, sub. Bed. So you hear is a mixed word with and a. So try to identify the sound with the short vowel sound a. Okay, please master the pictures, okay, so that you know how to say the name of each pictures. Okay, please prepare yourself for your task number 1 and task number 2. Okay, please prepare your book and your pencil. Okay, so I'll be back after a few minutes. Oh, hello kids, are you ready? Alright, so here in task number 1, write E if you hear the short vowel sound E. And also at page 8, write O if you hear the short vowel sound O. At page 9, write O or letter U if you hear the short vowel sound O. I will please prepare your pencil and your book at page 8, 9, and 10. Okay, I will read for you. If you hear the short vowel sound E, write. If not E, do not write. Okay, so number 1, pig, dish, igloo. Write E if you hear the short vowel sound E. Pig, dish, igloo. Number 2, fish, milk, cake. Number 3, egg, dog, pin. Egg, dog, pin. Do not write, if not, sound E. Only the word that has short vowel sound E, you can write the letter I or sound E. At page number 9, number 1, the same, okay, you hear the sound of A, you write fox, cup, ox. Okay, right if short vowel sound A. And number 2, otter, frog, pig. Otter, frog, pig. Right? A if it is A. Then dog, bug, clock. Dog, bug, clock. Right? O if it is short sound A. At page number 10, the same, write letter U if you hear the short vowel sound A. Okay, number 1, bug, cup, cat. Bug, cup, cat. Number 2, rug, tub, frog. Rug, tub, frog. Write only letter U or A. Number 3, brush, sub, bed. Brush, sub, bed. Okay? So, take time answering your activities, number 1 and 2 and 3. Alright? So, follow the instruction. Okay? So, after answering this, please drop to our page so that I can check your answers. Okay? Alright, so after doing this, please prepare your notebook and pencil. You're going to copy this one and answer, okay? So here, at task number 2, write the correct name of each picture. Okay? So, all of these pictures, you can find the names at page 8, 9, and 10, or just proceed on this copy. Okay? So, number 1, I will read for you and we will read together later. Let's drink a blank of milk. What's the name of this object? Okay? You know how to spell the word or spell its name? Please write here. And number 2, Tom is a lot of, what's this? What's the name of this? You're going to write here. Number 3, Mom used a blank. What is this? What's the name of this? Right here. To fasten the cloth. Number 4, the blank kept on ticking. What's the name of this? Okay, you can find this at your book. Number 5, do you like, what's the name of this? Right here. And no, I don't. Do you like a blank? No, I don't. And number 6, the top is on the, what's the name of this? Right here. Number 7, the girl washed her bag in a, what's this? I told you again. I told you a while ago. What's this? You write here. Number 8, let's blank our teeth every day. What's the name of this? Right here. Number 9, the blank runs fast. What's the name of this? We're going to write here. Now let's try to practice on reading, okay? So here, let's drink a blank of milk. Number 2, Tom eats a lot of blank. Number 3, Mom used a blank to fasten the clothes. Number 4, the blank kept on ticking. Number 5, do you like blank? No, I don't. Number 6, the top is on the blank. What's this? Number 7, the girl washed her bag in a blank. Number 8, let's blank. What's this? Our teeth every day. What's the name of this? And number 9, the blank runs fast. Okay, so take time answering this activity. Okay, so I give you time to finish this activity, and please drop your answers, and so that I will check later. Okay, so I will be back after a few minutes for your homework. Okay, for the last video, I'm going to give you your homework. Please listen carefully. Okay, at page 11 and 12 at your book, you're going to color all the pictures. Okay? Do not answer, just color all the pictures. All the pictures that you can see, but do not write the missing vowels. Okay? Only color. Okay? So thank you for your cooperation today. Please practice your reading, and I will check your reading on Wednesday. Okay? Thank you and bye-bye.